QuickBooks Error 61770. 3 Quick Solutions. Solution 1, Update QuickBooks. Step 1. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to Help. Step 2. Then select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on Update Now. Step 4. If you wish to turn on automatic updates, go to Options and select the Automatic Update option. Step 5. When you're ready, go to Update Now, click on Get Updates, and QuickBooks will start downloading updates. Step 6. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart, click OK on the pop-up. Solution 2, Update File Location. Step 1. First, you need to move your company file. To do this, click on the Windows Start menu. Step 2. Search File Explorer and open it. Step 3. Locate and open your QuickBooks folder. Step 4. Move your company file from this folder to C drive. Step 5. Now, open QuickBooks, click on the File tab, and select Create Copy. Step 6. Select Portable Company File and click Next. Step 7. Next, click on Desktop in the left panel and select the location where you want to save the file. Step 8. Press OK in the Close and Reopen pop-up and wait for it to create the portable file. Step 9. When you get the Administrator Permission Needed pop-up, click Continue. Step 10. Click OK in the QuickBooks Desktop Information pop-up. Step 11. Now, close QuickBooks. Step 12. Open QuickBooks again, click on File, then Open or Restore Company. Step 13. Select Restore a portable file and click Next. Step 14. Find and select the portable file you created, then select Open and Next. Step 15. For the restore location, select the drive you originally moved the company file from, then click Save. Step 16. It'll take some time to restore the company file. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download and install it from. Step 2. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Company File Issues. Step 3. Click on Quick Fix My File, then wait for it to check and fix the issue. Step 4. Once done, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 5. Select your company file from the drop-down menu. If you can't find it, click on Browse and Search. Step 6. Next, select Check Your File option and click Continue. Step 7. When prompted, enter the admin username and password and click Continue. Step 8. File Doctor will take few minutes to diagnose and repair the file. Step 9. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the issue is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902988 +44 800 0548 150.